Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about word problems involving maximum or minimum of a quadratic function. So, most important thing to remember with these is that no matter which way we draw our parabola or our quadratic function, the maximum and the minimum is always going to land on the vertex. So what do we need to find? We need to find the vertex of this quadratic function. Now this is usually we're used to y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. This one is not in that form yet. So let's go ahead and write it so our squared term is first, and then we go in decreasing order of degrees. So this is going to be negative 16t squared. This is our function h of t, or the height, plus 92t, and then c ends up being 0, right? We don't have a c. So the vertex hk, just like the others, is found at negative b over 2a. And the function at that value. Now, what function do we have for this one? We actually have h, not f. Now, the ball is thrown vertically upward. After t seconds, its height h in feet is given by this function. So the x value is t, or time, and the y value is height. That's important to distinguish. We want to know what the maximum height is. So we want to know the vertex. So if you think about a ball being thrown, it's going to be thrown up and then come back down, right? So right at that tip point is the vertex. So we want the y value of the vertex. But we need to find the x value in order to find the y value. So h of the vertex is equal to negative b over 2a, which is going to be negative 92 over 2 times negative 16, which is negative 92 over a negative 32. Okay. Now, a negative divided by negative is going to give us a positive. So we're going to have a positive number, which kind of makes sense, right? Because we're talking about time. So our time is going to start at 0 and then is going to increase from 0. So this equals 2.875 in what? Seconds. So the time at which the maximum height occurs is at 2.875 seconds. Let's find k. So that's going to be h of the negative b over 2a. And now this is our function h. So that's h of 2.875 seconds, or t. So we just plug that in. Negative 16 times 2.875 squared plus 92 times 2.875, and then we add 0. Now what we're going to end up getting once we plug all that in is 132.25. So this is our height at the vertex, which is the highest or the maximum height, and we're working in feet. So that ball in 2.875 seconds goes up to a maximum height of 132.25 feet.